Welcome to 1110 Ridgewood Court, a beautifully updated 5+2 bedroom executive home with 4 washrooms situated within a sought-after neighbourhood of Pickering's Liverpool community. Featuring an interlocking walkway and steps to a raised front patio, the covered double-door entrance opens into a spacious foyer and a home showcasing exceptional upgrades from top to bottom. Tiled flooring laid on the diagonal flows throughout the foyer and the reception hall, which is open to the above level, while hardwood floors gleam in the great room, the formal dining room, and in the south-facing, sun-washed, formal living room. Centered around a wood-burning fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling brick mantel, new pot lights brighten this inviting, entertaining space, while warm, natural light streams through the 3 windows along its turret wall. Impressive painted wood trims finish the front entrance, the coat closet, and the entries into the foyer itself and the main level principal rooms, while crown moldings and extra deep baseboards add an elegant finishing touch throughout this and the upper level. The great room also features a wood-burning fireplace with brick mantel and is brightened by both pot lighting as well as natural light through its large west and north-facing windows. Expanded in size from the home's original layout, this room is exceptional for entertaining, offering ample space for multiple conversation and sitting areas. Natural light gives the dining room a warm and inviting aura, while the ambient brightness of an elegant and timeless light fixture enhances its intimacy. And for entertaining convenience, this lovely formal room also has direct access from the kitchen and enjoys an adjacency to the informal dining space of the breakfast room. Finished with chair rail, the breakfast area has 2 large windows flanking a sliding door walkout to the nicely sized backyard, which features fencing with thicker posts and a deck that was recently reinstalled anew. The kitchen has been completely and newly updated, and this exceptional working space showcases new stone counters with seating at the peninsula, tiled flooring laid on the diagonal, a large window above a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink complete with an apron and an upgraded gooseneck faucet, a stainless steel built-in microwave and dishwasher, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a French door fridge with bottom-out freezer, as well as contemporary cabinetry with storage that includes pull-out shelves in the pantry, a wine rack, and a refuse drawer, while new LED light fixtures here and in the breakfast area complement the natural brightness of these 2 spaces. Curving gracefully to the upper level is a hardwood staircase newly updated with dark stained treads and painted white risers. Its railing, which is carried along the upper hallway and with another curved staircase leading down to a lower level bonus room, also having the same classic color contrast. Showcasing solid hardwood flooring throughout, the upper level also has 5 generously sized bedrooms, with both the second and third bedrooms featuring large north-facing windows with backyard views and double-sized closets with single doors. Linen closets are located on both sides of the entry door into the 5-piece main washroom, and this washroom features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as having been updated with a wall-to-wall vanity finished with a stone counter, undermount basins, and an upgraded vanity light. The 4th and 5th bedrooms also feature double-sized closets with single doors, while these 2 rooms enjoy a sun-washed south-facing exposure, with the 4th bedroom having a turret wall with 3 windows for maximum natural light. These 2 bedrooms, as well as the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, additionally feature new LED light fixtures, while their hardwood floors and the hallway's flooring were all newly installed in 2021. Through a double-door entry is the master suite, an incredibly spacious personal retreat featuring an oversized north-facing window with backyard views, a new LED light fixture, and ample room for a sitting area. The short hall leading into its ensuite washroom is finished with wood crown moldings, and along one wall is a built-in wood wardrobe, across from which is a walk-in closet. The fully renovated ensuite has a relaxing spa-like aura and showcases upgraded tiled finishes, 2 separate vanities with stone counters, undermount basins, upgraded light fixtures and faucets, and having a coordinating toiletry cabinet, a freestanding soaker tub with handheld shower, as well as a frameless glass shower with sliding door, a spa system, and an accent border of circular stone tiles. The staircase to the lower level bonus room is carpeted, as is the space itself, and its separation from the rest of the lower level gives this room a sense of privacy and can be utilized as a workout room, a yoga studio, a playroom, or as a home office. The main level also features a powder room updated with a stone-top vanity, as well as a sunken mudroom finished with new luxury vinyl plank flooring, having a newly updated hardwood staircase to the fully developed lower level, and also having a side entry into the home with a new door. And with this side entrance, the lower level is well suited as an in-law suite for extended families. Showcasing numerous updates, this level also has new luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as new baseboards throughout. And off the lower landing and hallway is a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, a furnace room with lots of storage space, and a cold room. Pot lights brighten both the hallway and the generously sized recreation area that it leads into, which has oversized basement windows, offers plenty of space for personal enjoyment and for entertaining, and which is complete with a new kitchen. This beautiful and functional work area showcases stone counters with seating at the peninsula, cabinetry with upper moldings and a glass-paneled corner cabinet, a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink, as well as stainless steel appliances including a built-in microwave and dishwasher, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer. This level additionally features another storage area behind double doors, pot lighting brightening a hallway leading to 2 very spacious bedrooms, both also having pot lights, while the first bedroom has 2 double-sized closets with single doors and the second bedroom has a walk-in closet, and a 5-piece washroom with a tile bath and shower area, a new vanity with stone counter, undermount basins, and vanity light, as well as a linen closet right outside its door. And other important features of this home include smooth ceilings, as well as freshly painted walls, baseboards, interior doors, and door trims on all levels, a new roof, newer main and upper level windows, all new appliances in both kitchens, and a side entry door into the double-car garage with a new door. A short walk to Vaughan Willard Public and St. Isaac Shokes Catholic Elementary Schools, Glendale Market Shopping Plaza, the Kitley Ravine, and Forest Brook Park. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.